A celebrity is a person who is celebrated by his people. Uganda is a country that is celebrated by its people.
Yeah. Hello viewers, it's Ronah Shield here on CelebrateUganda.com. One of the artists I'm going to talk about is very active in giving us new songs. He's been well traveled in Europe, America, and all over Uganda, and that's King Saha. King Saha was one of the artists in the Tubonganawe video, which was a political video supporting President Museveni, who has been ruling Uganda for almost 30 years now. Now, the fans were not happy about the decision because it was like as if the artists were supporting the president to keep ruling Uganda for even more years to come. And a lot of Ugandans wanted change. As a result, the fans have been disappointed and they have decided to abandon the artists who are in Tubonganawe video. My advice to the artist is, remember, the decision you make today may affect your future. The fans that love you today may turn their backs on you and they put the food on your table. So maybe next time when you're making decision, think about your fans out there.
It's celebration time with Celebrate Uganda.